History of Arts in the Philippines, American-Inspired Period. Hello everyone, my name is Michael Shindy Garcia of TV2A and this is my report. What is American-Inspired Period? Filipino Americans have a long history of music in the United States. The Philippines have musical context and varied influences due to indigenous traditions and early colonial influences of Spanish and American occupation. Occupations by the United States, many Filipinos were recruited for manual labor along the West Coast. These early laborers commonly would perform Spanish-influenced randalas as well as choral groups. When the Americans came, they brought blues, folk, R&B, and rock and roll. They also made music a part of the educational curriculum. This developed the skills of Filipinos in music, and so they used the skill to imitate Western music to create local versions of Western music. Eventually, the Philippines catered its own talent like Lea Salonga at a much later date. What was popular during this time though were the jukeboxes, AM radio, American dance hall, vaudeville, jazz, the Broadway musical, and vinyl records, where they listened to American rock bands. What are the main influences to the art period? The American educational system have greatly influenced the Philippine system of music education with the treatment of music as a part of broad pattern of liberal educations. Songs became a hybrid of other forms of music that were popular then, such as kundiman. Nevertheless, the influence of the Americans in Filipino music proved to be evident during the 1960s and 1970s. With many Filipinos living in the United States beginning around the 90s, Filipinos have contributed towards early Americana staples such as blues and jazz, and continue to influence more modern contemporary genres such as hip-hop and rock. American music has also been influential in the Philippines for artists and vice versa. What is the main characteristics of the art period? Filipino songs are woven beautifully, full of craft, passion, determination, and hard work that results to such quality music. The craft that Filipinos have to their music is very intense that they spend each passing day perfecting their pieces worthy to be added in the Philippine music scene. The music of the United States can be characterized by the use of syncopation and asymmetrical rhythms, long, irregular melodies, which are said to reflect the wide open geography of the American landscape and the sense of personal freedom characteristic of American life. In conclusion, the Filipino and American music is uniquely different from each other. At some points, it may be the same, but they are beautiful in their own songs. What are the main artworks and artists of this period? I've been thinking about you by Jocelyn Enriquez, one of the first Filipino Americans to sing a major label record deal. Jocelyn Enriquez's 1997 album, Jocelyn, was released on Tommy Boy Records, fueled by the infectious freestyle club hits Do You Miss Me and A Little Bit of Ecstasy. Jocelyn hit number 12 on the Billboard 200 album charts. Opera of the Philippines in the American period. Filipino-American opera or theater ranges from topics such as Filipino or Filipino-American history to modern Filipino issues. The themes for these works were mostly influenced by Spanish colonial rule as well as the American colonization. Said to be the first Filipino opera, Noli Me Tangere featured songs in Tagalog with English supertitles and full orchestration. The opera's music and libretto were composed by Philippine national artists Felipe de Leon and Guillermo Tolentino, respectively, Philippine ambassador to the United States. Symphony orchestras of the Philippines in the American period. FASO, or Filipino-American Symphony Orchestra, is the first and only Filipino orchestra outside of the Philippines since its conception in 2009. It has successfully performed in major concerts and events. FASO is committed to encouraging orchestral music and cultural diversity by developing and promoting Filipino-American artists through programs designed to educate and enrich the community. They had a show on LA 9 years ago conducted by Robert Schroeder, presents an elective evening of music including Bach and symphonic arrangements of pop rock music such as Queen's Bohemian Rhapsody and Led Zeppelin's Stairway to Heaven, as well as disco, alternative, and Filipino rock music. Marching Band of the Philippines in the American period. Marching bands called bandas were very popular during the American regime. The pre-war Philippine Constabulary Band was a symphonic band founded by Walter H. Loving on October 15, 1902. The American period also saw the rise of school and university-based bands, as well as town of civilian bands in the Philippines. The growth of bands was so phenomenal that every town had 2 or more bands participating and even competing in numerous town activities. And that's it. Thanks for watching!